Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School, CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 6, Lesson number 10, Mensuration. So students, we learned what is perimeter. Yes, sum of all the sides of any given closed figure, adding up the sum total of the measures of any sides. Now perimeter of a rectangle, it is actually same thing. Perimeter means we have to add up the sides, but there is a certain formula for certain regular shapes. Okay, like perimeter of a rectangle. Now rectangle, everybody, you all know that it is a four-sided figure. It has the bigger side that is called as the length and the smaller side that is called as the breadth, length and breadth. And you also know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if this length is 5 centimeter, this also length will be 5 centimeter. If this breadth is 2 centimeter, this also side breadth will be 2 centimeter. We know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So according to the formula, now perimeter, you know what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. Okay, the basic concept of perimeter is sum of all sides. Now let us take it in the shape of a rectangle. It will be length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, like how we have already learned. Okay, length, breadth. So when we add it up, so from this they have derived a formula. Length is 2 times, breadth is 2 times. So their formula is derived from that, that is 2 into length plus breadth. So what do? We add length plus breadth, and length plus breadth how many times? 2 times. So we do it just once and we multiply by 2, we get the formula from that. So actually the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. This formula has to be followed whenever we do a sum to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So don't forget this. Every sum you'll have to write perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, and according to the BODMAS rule, we will add length plus breadth first because it is in the bracket, and then multiply the answer by 2. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. Exercise 10.1, question 1 we had already done. So question 2, the lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 centimeter and 10 centimeter is sealed all round with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So just for a rough diagram, it is a rectangular box, yes, and it is 40 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So your length is 40 and your breadth is 10 centimeters, and it is sealed by a tape all around. It is all around, the tape is put, and we have to find the length of the tape. So length of the tape will be equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. So we write the length of tape will be equal to perimeter of rectangle. Okay, and now so for that we will find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, how do we find? The formula 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth, we have to put it in the bracket. So 2 into, what is my length? 40, and what is my breadth? 10. Again, don't forget to put the brackets. I will do 2 into 40 plus 10 is 50. I now open the bracket. 50 into 2 is 100. 100 what? Yes, 100 centimeters. So that is the perimeter of the rectangle and even the length of the tape. So now my answer, the length of the tape required is 100 centimeters. Okay. We move on to the next question. A tabletop measures 2 meters 25 centimeters by 1 meter 50 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? A simple easy question. Now tabletop, length and breadth is given, the measures are given. One is a bigger length and one is a smaller length. So length is always bigger, so 2 meters 25 centimeters will be the length and 1 meter 50 centimeters will be the breadth. So we find the perimeter of the tabletop. So perimeter of tabletop or rectangle, it is a rectangular tabletop, is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Formula and statements necessary. 2 into, now 2 meters 25 centimeters, I will put it as a decimal point as I had taught in my decimal lessons, plus 1.50. Okay, so it becomes easier for me to solve. Now 2 into, now in my rough work, you can do it mentally or in my rough work, plus 1.50, 2 plus 5, 7 and 3, 3.75. Now 3.75 I will multiply by 2. Yes, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 7 2s are 14, plus 1 15, carry 1. First put my decimal point, 2 3s are 6, plus 1 7. So it is 7.50 centimeters, or I can write 7 meters and 50 centimeters. So my working statement is done. Now my answer. The perimeter of the tabletop is 7 meters and 50 centimeters. I hope you all are understanding. Okay. Next question. What is the length of a wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeters and 21 centimeters respectively? I have told you respectively means 32 centimeter is the length and 21 is the breadth. So again, length of the wooden strip required, so it will be the length of wooden strip will be equal to the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so next, perimeter of rectangle, what is the formula? Yes, 2 into length plus breadth. Now what is my length? My length is 32 and my breadth is 21. Easy sum. So 2 into 32 plus 21 is 53, and 2 into 53, 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10, 106 centimeters. Okay, so now I write my answer. What is the question given? The length of the wooden strip required is 106 centimeters. Okay, move on to one more sum. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometers by 0.5 kilometers. So length and breadth. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. What is the length of the wire needed? So it has to be fenced. Fence means again we have to find the perimeter, but it has to be by 4 rows. After finding the perimeter, we have to multiply it again by 4, because it is not perimeter. What we usually do is only finding 1 round, but now here it is 4 rounds, so we have to multiply it by 4 also. So we start perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter? Yes, 2 into length plus breadth in bracket. Okay, then I do 2 into 0.7 my length plus 0.5 my breadth. Okay, so 0.7 plus 0.5, 7 plus 5 is 12, so 1.2. Now 2 into 1.2, 2 2s are 4, and so it is 2.4 kilometers is the perimeter of one wire or one wire rectangle. But now number of rows is 4, so wire needed will be perimeter into 4. So what is the perimeter? 2.4 into 4 for 4 parts of wire. 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, so 9.6 centimeters. Okay, so answer, the buyer needed to fence the piece of land with 4 rows of wire is 9.6 centimeters. Okay, sorry, the unit is kilometers, so my unit will be kilometers. Sorry, I forgot, it is in kilometers, so it will be 9.6 kilometers, and here also 9.6 kilometers, as the unit given in the question is kilometers.